Okay, so today we're going to look at the PH pattern, which is sort of a bit of a funny one because it makes the F sound. It doesn't come up in a lot of words, but you should be familiar with it. So we can have phonics, might as well. P-H-O-N-I-C, phonic, phonics with an S on the end. So the sound that letters make is the phonics that we do. Remember, our focus is the line. How far is that P going to get in the way of my next word that I'm going to write? I'm going to put this one in. It's Sphinx, which is good for, because we will after Easter go on to the Egyptians, so it's a good one to learn how to spell. So you've got an S and then the PH, sf, swing, I-N, and X at the end, Sphinx. Who knew you needed to learn to spell a word like that? Dolphin. Lots of us are rather fond of dolphins. They seem to be quite amazing creatures. And that's where it comes, PH, fin, dolphin. And then prophet. You might have heard of a prophet. It's someone who speaks of the future. They might know the outcome of the future. A prophet tells you what might happen. And you can see the F there in the middle, the F sound obviously made by the PH. Phantom, when something is another name for a ghost or something that's not there anymore. Phantom, which actually is a really good word, isn't it, for us to think about. That might crop up later in one of our vocabs if it fits. Then elephant, elephant. Okay, and finally I'll do alphabet. Alphabet. Okay, alphabet. Okay, now I'm just going to pause it now, have a go at writing those, see how you get on. Okay, now unpause it and let's do a sentence. We've got a bit of a silly sentence, sorry about this, but Philip liked elephants and dolphins more than the alphabet. So Philip liked elephants and dolphins more than the alphabet. Philip liked elephants and dolphins more than the alphabet. Now if you want to pause it there and have a go at writing that, and then hopefully you've unpaused it, and we'll have a little look. Philip. So I didn't do that as a spelling, but it's a PH. So some of you, he would have a capital letter because it's a proper noun as well as being the beginning of a sentence. Philip liked. So hopefully you've all got the spelling of liked correct, because we hear the T, but we know it's ED. Elephants. And dolphins. Just realised we're going off the edge of the page again, I do apologise. Must be all slipping all the time. I'll hold it there. Philip liked elephants and dolphins more than the alphabet. Not surprising, really. Bit of a random sentence. There we go. So Philip liked elephants and dolphins more than the alphabet. You're doing brilliantly. Well done.